doing awesome. Today we're going to do another astrology video. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing fine. How are you? I'm fine. Come on in, please. Come on in. Have a seat. Okay. Mrs. Sarma, right? Yes, I'm glad you remember. Oh, sure. I try to remember all my customers. So, what can I do today for you? Well, I'm just having some wonderful spice tea. Would you like to have a cup? Okay. Miss Joanna, Mrs. Sarma would love your wonderful spice tea, dear. Thank you so much. She makes the awesome spice tea. Yeah, I have it 5-6 cups a day and I'm hooked on to this spice tea. Oh, what does she put in it? Okay, let me ask. Miss Joanna, what do you put in it? Okay, she says that she put a spice blend, which I kept it in the kitchen. Here we have a little kitchen, and I kept a spice blend. Yeah, this blend has lot of spices like cardamom, clove, bay leaf, and black pepper, and of course ginger, star anise. So basically these things, and if you like tea bag, you can put a green tea bag, but I don't put a tea bag. I put a little piece of cinnamon or powdered cinnamon, a little bit, not too much. Cinnamon does heat up the body. So yeah, and I love that. I love this warm tea. Okay, here's your tea. Thank you so much. So what brings you today here? Well, I'm here today for my daughter Cindy. Okay, so let me write it down. All right, so Sarma, go ahead. Tell me her birthday, dear. Okay, let me do some calculation. So I'm gonna do a Lo-Shu grid chart. So 3 1s and 3 9s. So basically she has only 3 1s and 3 9s, no other numbers. See, in the Lo-Shu grid chart we have 3 4 1 to 9, so 10 also becomes 1. So out of 1 to 9 she only has only 1s, 3 1s and 3 9s. So what seems to be the problem? Well, she graduated and went to work, and she went far away. She wouldn't stay near home. She said she don't want to stay near home, and now she chose to go far away. And now over there also she's having problem with people and doesn't like it there and doesn't want to stay there, but doesn't want to stay in home, who doesn't want to work but want to have the money. So it's a kind of a chaos situation, and I'm here not happy either, because I thought that she will graduate and work and be happy and I can move on with my life, since I stayed home and took care of her and gave all my time, as you did my chart and you told me that since I have only 1 9, so I would just take care of people all my life. So finally she was gone and I was focusing on my job and other areas in my life. But seems to me she's not happy, and she wants to come home, but then she doesn't want to stay here, so she's so lost. So that's why I came with her chart today for you to analyze and tell me what is going on. Okay, so let's see. She has 3 1s and 3 9s. 3 1s means very weak sun. So she probably has a lot of problem getting along with father or any boss or any male figure, authority figure. She will not get along with any of these, even at her work, her boss or anybody authority figure telling her what to do. She will not like that. She she will get along with her mother, not so much problematic, but um, yeah, I don't see any two, so there might be a little bit problem with you too. So yeah, she doesn't listen to me at all. Yeah, so I don't see any two either. She will not get along with you because there's no two in the chart, and this was due to a bad relationship with the mother in her past life, which she's carrying on into this life. And so if the 9 is coming in the chart 3 times, then she will be very stubborn, because 9 is for Mars and Mars is very weak. Mars will give ill effect. Mars ill effects are very bad. So you see, she will not listen to whatever is being told. She wants to do her thing, whatever she wants to do. It doesn't matter what other things. And even though you say that don't go there, there's fire, she will go because you said not to go. So she will usually say, I don't care. She will say, I don't care. And she, yeah, that's what she say all the time. I don't care. I don't care. Yes, she will do that. She will always say, I don't care. And she will be very emotional, and she will get totally overwhelmed with little things. When others, these things might not bother others, but it will bother her too much, and she will at times feel lost, out of place, out of balance. She will lose the purpose of life. She always say, what's the point? Yes, she does that. She say, what's the point? Even though she graduated high school with honors, she graduated college, got a good job right away, lots of money, but always saying, what's the point? What's the point? Like that. Yes, and she'll also be very angry and say hurtful, rude things, and then feel sorry later. Yes, she does that. She does that. Yes. And she'll make a mountain over a molehill, exaggerate things, whatever happening to her life. Simple things might be simple for others, but for her it will be a huge thing. She'll cry, make a big fuss about it, and extremely impatient, wants everything quick done. Yes, exactly, that's what she does. And she will be very nervous, jittery, jumpy, and but she's very good at her heart and very dedicated to her work, and will do her work really good. She will not eat, will not shower, will not do anything else, talk to people or anything until her work is finished. But she wants to do the job at like perfectionist, so that way it'll be very difficult to get along with any team, with others teammates, because other teammates might neglect it, might do it later, but she wants to do it today. Yes, you're right. If something needs to be done, she'll say, yes, do it now and this minute and make it perfect. Yes. So one of the biggest problem is pleasing her. She will not be satisfied with any kind of job done, so pleasing her will be very difficult. Yes, yes. And she will be blindly optimistic. Like she'll say, oh yeah, I'll go this way. Life will be really rosy, bed of roses. But when the life does not turn out bed of roses, she gets very upset and emotional and cry. Yes, yes, you're right. She's doing like that now. Yeah, she will make a good doctor, nurse, caretaker, or even in the computer line. She'll any line she'll sign good. But she needs to be her own boss, like CEO or director, because she likes to do things her way, would not listen to anybody. But she will be very disciplined. She will do the job disciplinedly, and she'll always come on top of everything. And only problem is she might get very angry. Anger, sadness, all this thing will rule over her. Might say harsh things, might even go to hit or hurt others. Yes, yes, you're right. Anger will rule her, and anger will have the best part of her. She might lose control in anger and might become violent, aggressive, and she might fight all the time for simple things. And she might work very hard and make a lot of money, but then become a philanthropist, give away money to charities, and she will be very lonely. Yes, yes, because won't get along with people, won't get to make much friends, like to work alone, like her lonely time, but then again gets very lonely. But she doesn't like to have friends or friends criticizing her or pushing her around. Yes, you're so right. And because of this loneliness, she might go towards sex, drugs, and addictions. Yeah, so what will help? What will help is yoga, meditation, daily walk, and joining a dance or singing group where she can sing with other people, and taking a daily stroll. And rudraksha will be really good, like 5-face rudraksha, 3-face rudraksha, 2-face rudraksha. All this 5-face rudraksha will be very good. 2-face and 3-face also helps with dealing with people, so these two will be very good. So rudraksha will be a good beat for this person. And controlling the anger and emotions, very important, and that will be controlled with a vegetarian diet. Stay away from non-veg and drinks and cigarette or all the other kind of things. Stay away from those. Live a vegetarian life, yoga, meditation, daily walk, rudraksha. These things will help a lot. And cautiously try not to get into fight. So they need to self-discipline, not to fight, and not to let the anger take the best part of their life, not to take the sadness take the best part of their life. Rather, instead of focusing on themselves, rather focus on others, like doing good for the society, doing good for the homeless people or something for other people. Then they'll pay less attention to themselves and not always think, oh, I'm so miserable, oh, this is happening to me, oh, the world is coming down. So these are the, so what can you do as a mother? I think it will be best if she comes back home and lives with you guys, and just give her space, and who's gonna work from home now that everybody's working from home. But definitely every day go out for a walk, 30 minutes, and definitely doing some yoga, some meditation, joining some singing or dancing class, and definitely having the rudraksha bead, and intentionally try not to get angry or fight with people or overact to any situation. So this has to be worked intentionally. So it's something you can work with her. Other than that, she's okay. She's a great kid, great person, hardworking, but due to too many ones, due to too many nines, so too many ones, you can pray for Lord Saturn, and too many nines. Tuesday, do not eat any non-veg, live in vegetarian food, and she can pray to Mangli Devi, do the prayers to usually do the prayers to Ma Durga, and just do Durga prayer on every Tuesday, and prayers to Lord Shiva, the rising sun, on Sundays or every day in the morning, and yoga, meditation, and vegetarian diet, fruits and vegetables. Stay away from meats. And they should do. It should do. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much. I was so worried about her. Finally, I thought that I could now focus on myself. But this everything is coming over again. I realized it. Yeah. Also, she has 3 nines, you have 1 9. Obviously, you feel like that. So, thank you so much for coming down. I appreciate your business. Thank you. Take care. And maybe next time you can bring her and have a chat with her and give her some points how to do things and how to deal with people and all that. Okay? Alright, thank you. Have a great day. Nice seeing you again. Bye bye.